Welcome to this video dedicated to ABB Building Analyzer. In this video, we will look at advanced configuration. Let's start by adding users. In Building Editor, click Users and Authorizations. Click Invite User. Enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. Select their role. This sends an invitation email to the user, who then has 3 days to accept the invitation. Let's now see how to perform unit conversions. In the menu of Building Analyzer Configuration, select Unit Conversion. Click Add Unit Conversion. Give the unit conversion a name. Select its purpose, cost, emission, or unit. Select the datalog type to which to assign the unit conversion. Enter the currency. Down below, enter the value of the data type. Indicate the start date and end date applicable to this value. You may also add other data ranges as needed. When you are finished, click Save. This enables Building Analyzer to display the unit conversion for the data type selected and the data ranges indicated. Now let's see how to create attributes, which can be assigned to meters to facilitate the filtering of the site tree, particularly with a large number of meters. In the menu of Building Analyzer Configuration, select Attributes. Click Create Attribute Label. Give the attribute a name and select its type. If you select a list, you can then enter the list items. These are typically values that can be common among data points. Then click Save. If the values cannot be predefined, select Free Text. Once you have created attribute labels, you can now assign attributes to data points. Click the arrow here, and then click Assign Attributes. Click Assign Attributes next to a data point. Click Add another attribute value. Select the attribute label and either enter freeform text or select a list item, depending on the attribute type. Enter the start date and end date for the attribute if necessary. Assign as many attributes as relevant for that data point. You may continue to assign attributes to each data point one by one, or you may perform bulk assignment by clicking here. Click Add another attribute value. Select the attribute label, and again either enter freeform text or select a list item. Then select all the data points to which to assign the attribute you have just selected. Finally, preview changes to check your work. And click Apply Bulk Attributes when you're done. Once you have finished assigning attributes to all data points, click Update. Let's now look at licenses in Building Editor. Here you can see all available licenses that are currently valid. Click Purchase Licenses. Then select For Building Analyzer. Scroll down to view available price plans. Click Show Add-ons for any price plan to view them below. By associating a price plan with add-ons, you can determine the combination that best suits your needs. Once you've decided which price plan to purchase, log in. If you do not have a login to Marketplace, contact your reseller or the ABB sales team, who may be able to purchase the license on your behalf. Be sure that you copy your organization ID from the Licenses page, as you will need it to finalize the purchase. If you have purchased a voucher, click Activate Voucher. Enter the voucher code and click Check. You may then assign the license to the organization from there. Note that a license purchase through the Marketplace is set up for auto-renewal, whereas the voucher is a one-time only subscription with a definitive expiration date.